In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove the Cloudflare proxy from your domain in the simplest and safest way possible. Even though this is a short process, it's important to understand what you're doing because it affects how traffic reaches your website. When your site is using Cloudflare's proxy, visitors connect to Cloudflare first, and then Cloudflare connects to your origin server. This gives you features like caching, DDoS protection, and some security tools. Removing or pausing the Cloudflare proxy means traffic will go directly to your server again without passing through Cloudflare's network. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Cloudflare dashboard in your web browser. Once you're signed in, choose the domain you want to work with from your list of sites. That will bring you to that domain's overview page, which is the main control panel for that site inside Cloudflare. On the overview page, look to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical sidebar with different sections. Scroll down to the very bottom of this right-hand sidebar. Take your time here because it can be easy to miss if you're not used to the layout. Near the bottom, you'll see a section called Advanced Actions. This is where Cloudflare places options that can significantly affect your site, so it's normal for them to be a bit tucked away. In this Advanced Actions area, look for the option labeled Pause Cloudflare on Site. Click on Pause Cloudflare on Site. This action tells Cloudflare to stop acting as a reverse proxy for this specific domain. In other words, Cloudflare will no longer sit between your visitors and your origin server, and requests will begin to bypass Cloudflare's edge network. As soon as you click that option, Cloudflare will ask you to confirm your choice. This confirmation step is important because pausing Cloudflare can change how your site behaves, and it may temporarily remove protections or performance improvements that Cloudflare provides. Carefully read the confirmation message so you understand what's about to happen. If you're sure you want to proceed, go ahead and confirm the choice. After you confirm, Cloudflare will pause its proxy for that domain. Once Cloudflare is paused, DNS will still be managed by Cloudflare, but the traffic itself will no longer be proxied. This means any Orange Cloud proxied records effectively behave like direct, unproxied records. In most cases, this change takes effect very quickly, but DNS-related changes can sometimes take a few minutes to fully propagate, depending on caching. After a short wait, you can test your site by visiting it in a browser or using tools like DNS lookup or HTTP header checkers to confirm that traffic is now going directly to your server instead of routing through Cloudflare. If at any point you decide you want Cloudflare's protection and optimization back, you can return to the same overview page and re-enable Cloudflare for the site. That way, you can treat this process as reversible while you troubleshoot issues, change hosting providers, or adjust your configuration. That's all you need to do to remove the Cloudflare proxy from your domain by pausing Cloudflare on the site.